everyone, so we're doing another review Tuesday today, so thank you for that. And I'm going to be reviewing this wire straightening tool. I have used it a few times, so you guys know that I do use it, you know, spoiler alert. But I realised that other than when I'm creating wire, I've never really used it for anything particularly difficult before. So I did another video a moment ago. I'm doing them, you know, as quickly as I can whilst I've got the energy. Obviously you'll probably see these like over the weeks because it's review Tuesday, so every Tuesday. But I realised I've never actually tried it on more stubborn wire, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a go and see how well they actually work with wire like this. So I'm going to have to pull it out. Do you know, I was thinking about doing a tutorial using this exact shape and I just did that by accident. So I'm gonna make a note of how I did that. Watch out for that one coming up. So we're going to use our wire straightening tool and we're going to see how well it works on more difficult wire. So the wire keeps stretching out as I'm using it, which is to be expected. Well, it's actually starting to work. Okay, let's just going to pull the whole thing out like that, and I'm going to hold this here because obviously I need that. Oh, it is working. I'm actually surprised. Not that I was trying to set it up to fail in any way, but because it's so much more stubborn than obviously normally I just use it for straightening shorter amounts. But wow, look at that. I am actually genuinely surprised. I did not expect it to do that. Now, obviously that is not perfectly straight, but considering, you know, it was in tight loops like this, to go from that to this, that is actually really good. I'm genuinely surprised about that. I didn't expect it to work so well. I thought it might do it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to try it with these. So I also, you know, I think it was in one of the tip videos and I suggest using, see, I can't do it with these ones. A little bit is straighter, but it can't fight the rest of it. So it's better than using a nylon coated pair of pliers. And that is slightly straighter here once it's been straightened out already. But there's only, yeah, now it's not really doing anything. Okay guys, so I'm genuinely surprised about this. So you know I use it generally when I'm doing multiple wires, so I'm doing 5-wire weaves and stuff like that, and I need to make sure that my wires are straight so that when I'm wrapping I'm not getting them tangled. So I use it for that generally. This is actually really good. Like, so if ever you've, you know, put your wire down and or you've used it and you've messed it up and you know it's not at the point of being work hardened, like, I mean, this is definitely a lot stronger now. I wouldn't want to try and reshape it, but where I'm just going to wrap along it, that's really good. I'm genuinely surprised and impressed by this. So as a tool, yeah, this is definitely approved. If you are a type of person like me who messes up with wire a lot and you don't want to keep wasting it, definitely get one of these tools. I will link it below. Also, I always recommend having a pair of nylon coated pliers on hand because they are handy. So I'll link them below as well. I'll just a pair. Check the description box. Otherwise, thank you all so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this, and I'm going to be using this a lot more now. I've only really used it just for just randomly, really. I've never really used it as just to play with it. I just decided, you know what, I need some more review Tuesdays and I have this tool, so let's use it properly. And I am pleasantly surprised by this. So yeah, if you want to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell notification next to that if you want to get notified when I do upload. So that's brilliant. I'm hoping to get back to my normal schedule well, I hopefully should be back by the time this comes up. This should be the 2nd week, so hopefully by now I've got a few more videos up again. I was ill over Christmas. I got flu, and then it caused my chronic illnesses to flare up as well, and I had a crash, and so it hasn't been fun, but I'm hopefully getting back to it now. So yeah, if you could hit that subscribe button and support me on my journey, that would be amazing. Otherwise, thank you all for giving me your time and energy. I love you all, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.